Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I went to a Japanese salon in Tokyo to dye my hair. Initially I wanted to bleach it because I had like a beautiful orange color in mind, but when I spoke to the salon, I think she's probably the salon owner, she was saying that for my hair texture it's a little tricky and my hair might be damaged, but I already was okay with my hair being damaged. But because she's a hairdresser, I decided to just listen to her, and I did a process called toning. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's not bleach, so it doesn't do much damage to your hair, but at the same time the color is not as bright as it would be if it was bleached, which is what I really wanted. But nonetheless, I think they did a really good job. So right here she was applying the chemical to my hair. It actually smelled like relaxer, so I was oddly surprised, thought it was relaxer that she was putting on my hair for a sec, and it had a very strong scent. The thing that you're applying, the thing that you're putting on, what is the color? This is the color. Okay. What do you mean? Do you want to? Oh no, it's fine. I thought it was maybe some chemical first and then the color.
This is a chemical.
Okay.
Yes, already. But no bleach.
But no bleach.
Okay. It's kind of high peroxide, but no.
The smell is very strong.
Yeah,
the
it's
smell.
Yeah. Is your first time?
No, I have bleached my hair before, but I cut it off.
Cut it off?
Yeah.
Good. And did you dye black?
No, I dyed my hair many colors. So like orange, burgundy. Yeah. But this here, new growth, I have never dyed it.
Yeah. That's good, because without the bleach, if you dye the black, then it will lift it up. So.
Okay. Yeah, this is my natural hair color. Yeah. Do you get a lot of clients with my type of hair?
Yes.
Okay.
It's different types. But do you always twist it?
So sometimes I wear my hair in protective styles. So maybe I put in extensions. I twist it so I can keep in the moisture. Yeah.
So that's cool. It's easy to tangle out.
Yeah. More than 3 years ago, I cut my entire hair. All of it. Yeah, all of it. Yeah. When I moved to Japan, I cut it. Yeah. So I did it in Jamaica. Yeah. Oh no, I went to a hairdresser. Yeah. Yeah. And I dyed it. So it was very short. So I dyed the end burgundy. Yeah. But when it grew, I cut the end, so all the burgundy was cut off. Yeah.
It must be beautiful burgundy.
Yes.
Did you like it?
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah. But so if my ends are not healthy, I will cut them. Yeah. So I cut and cut until there was no more color.
So what products do you use?
So I use many different types, but products that are specifically for my hair type. So I use many brands like Shea Moisture or what other? Cantu. Yeah, so many different types because I use many products. So Not really. Yeah. Yeah, and it makes my hair have white residue. You know how long these will last? Like when it dry, the curls that you're doing right now, do you know how long it will last? Maybe like
You mean the curls or
yeah. No, the curls.
Curls.
Maybe 1 day, 2 days.
2 days, 3 days. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. How long you usually last when you sew?
Well, I don't usually
Does this?
Yeah, I don't do this.
Yeah, your first time.
Yeah.
I mean, you have done it, of course, but.
So not like this.
Mm.
I like to twist it up or catch it. put it in one. How long will the color stay in?
I think this is without the bleach, it stays longer, but it's getting lighter and lighter.
Okay.
Yeah, each time, like maybe a month later, your hair it might be lighter than this.
Okay.
Yes. But with the bleach, it comes more yellow. But this one, it won't go like that. It's more warmer and a little like deeper color, so which is better actually.
So
Does it make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Where's your part?
Huh?
It's up to me. The part.
Maybe middle part, center, yeah, center part. Yeah.
So with the water, lots of water and conditioner, it comes more tangles out and then close the cuticle and then just put a little bit of piece by piece like this.
Yeah.
But if you pull too much, it tries to shrink up, so not too.
So where did you learn this technique?
This is from Diva channel.
Is it from?
Diva Salon in New York. You know,
Oh.
curly hair method.
Oh no, I don't. Okay.